What is it?
Tea. Where's the leader? That's tea.
Oh, egg stick.
That's a bitter.
And it's the same tea as well.
No, that's a bitter.
Oh, morning. What kind of juice you offer?
Hi. Oh my God. I didn't get my sign put up yet. I apologize. I never got set up.
She running fast.
Okay. No, I'll definitely give it a try. I just.
Come and chat with Tania.
People, did market exist in Turks and Caicos? What do they do there? What do they sell there? Kew Town Market. Let's see the treasures we can find inside. So guys, there is the sign, Kew Town Market, and we're making an entrance on the inside. Hello. Just recording.
You can scan this out too.
Okay.
Unfortunately, pretty much.
You bake what is this?
I think it's a different rundown.
This is the passion fruit pineapple. That's the strawberry swirl. I'll put the lid on.
So morning. Just seeing what you guys offer. Alright. Morning. What are these?
That's where's the leader?
What is it?
Tea. Where's the leader? That's tea.
Oh.
That's a sweet tea. Very nice.
Okay.
The last
Snake stick.
That's a bitter.
And it's the same tea as well.
No, that's a bitter.
Oh. Okay. Bitters. Custard apple.
Okay, you be there.
Yes, I'm recording. I'm seeing what the market has to offer.
That's what's the name?
Chat Tania.
Okay.
YouTube. Yeah. And we have tomato here. We have eggs over there, guys. Oh, okay. Sugar cane. Green bananas, papaya, sugar cane again. Cake. Down here they have papaya, callaloo.
Oh yeah.
Morning, just looking. Now this stall caught my eye because I don't know I could leave without trying something refreshing. Morning, what kind of juice you offer?
Hi. Oh my God. I didn't get my sign put up yet. I apologize. I never got set up right this morning. That is what I got. And the strawberry one has sorrel on it, which is not listed on the sign.
I can get the one with the. How much is it? What's it?
$10 for a cup, but you can get a sample if you want to try it.
All right, give me
want the green one?
the passion pineapple ginger. Give me this one.
I was just making it unlimited. What do you think's gonna happen? Do you think it'll go this time?
Market property because pretty much the kind of conversation that she set up. She saw me spoke about it, and then right after that she set up. Yes, trying to get a few people on the and it's 25 for sign up. I think per week or something. So anytime you go, and then it's gonna be on the off days.
Okay, how much is it?
25. They race weight.
Yeah, if we get some customers.
You have to go right to the space. You know what time it is.
Yeah.
She running ads.
Okay. No, I'll definitely give it a try. I just You want to taste the red one?
Yeah. Thank you. Try it. Here, taste it. You know what? You know what, Jenny? It's good. You're here every Saturday?
It's on the market's only every other.
Oh, every other
Yeah, so
Saturday.
2 weeks.
Okay.
2 weeks.
Here you go.
All right.
Where's the straw? Just take one?
That's fine. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, either one. All right, I said you can get the straw. Is that well, you want a straw too?
You want
look
one?
like you want-
Take one.
Go
Take
ahead.
one. All right. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Come. Ready? Drink it. Taste it. Hmm? Taste it. Come, we're ready now. Lucky. You want it? Or we go in the car? Alright guys, we got a great experience here at the market and it was fun and interesting.
Go.
Open the door. Let go the door. Let go the door. Go on inside. Wait, let me taste it, Nazai. Wait.
Gimme.
Well guys, I noticed they have fresh and organic produce. So if you love local produce, this place is right. But this is also giving me island community feelings. Everywhere looks surprising. Market like these tell you plenty about a country, what people grow, what they eat, and how the community still stay alive. So if you're ever in Turks and Caicos and want something beyond the tourist spot, Kew Town Market might be worth checking out. Fresh food, local vibes, and good people. Would you visit a market like this? Tell me below in the comment section. Guys, if you're new here, remember to like, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, and always come back to watching my videos. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of